Hello viewers, we have been solving some questions related to general paper of NET exam. General paper of NET exam is a mandatory paper for all subjects if you want to appear in NET exam. This will be treated as paper 1 where 100 marks will come, okay, and 50 questions will be asked. Each question will carry 2 mark. If you do one question correctly, then you will get 2 mark, and if you do any kind of error or mistake, then to your marks will not be deducted. Okay, so here uh, till now there is no negative mark in NET exam. It may change in future, I don't know, but till here means till today there is no negative mark. And in paper 1, according to syllabus, uh, there will be questions from teaching aptitude, research aptitude, environment and ecology, information and science and technology, higher education, and numerical ability, mental ability. That kind of questions will be asked. Therefore, I request you to go through the syllabus of this paper so that you will know the uh, fundamental things related to paper 1. And this is a previous year paper I have collected, and uh, it will be helpful for you if you are preparing for not only NET exam, SLAT exam, but also it will help you in your MA in English entrance test, as well as MA in any other entrance test, especially if you are applying for CU yet. Or it will also be helpful for many exams like PhD. In PhD too, many questions are asked in PhD in any subject entrance test, where so many questions are asked related to teaching aptitude, research aptitude, like that, and so on. Okay, so that's all I have told you. My prime purpose of making this video. Now, without further delay, let's begin our discussion. The first question of this video is the main objective of teaching is. So this question is related to teaching aptitude. The main objective of teaching is scoring high marks in the examination, completing the syllabus thoroughly, helping to get suitable placement, creating lifelong learners. What is the core objective of teaching? According to you, try to solve this question. After some time, I will tell you the correct answer. So, correct answer will be D, that is the main objective of teaching is creating lifelong learners. Creating lifelong learners. This is the prime purpose of uh, teaching. Got it? Okay, now let's move on. Next question we have is NMEICT. NMEICT stands for what? So this kind of stands for what, WHO stands for what, or any questions related to education, science and technology, environment will be asked. So this is related to higher education, NMEICT, and it is also related to digital learning or digital education or innovation. NMEICT stands for what? National Mission on E-Learning through ICT, National Mission on Education through ICT, National Mission on E-Governance through ICT, National Mission on E-Commerce through ICT. What will be the correct answer of this question? 2B is the correct answer. That means National Mission on Education through ICT. ICT means, you all know, information and computer technology, or what was that? I have forgotten. Okay, please verify it. Okay, Here I would like to add one thing, and that is, though I have used official answer key of this question paper, but still sometimes it may happen that I might have told you the wrong answer. It happens. I am a human being, okay? 2R is human, you all know. Therefore, please verify it yourself. And if you have any kind of doubt or problem, query, you can note it. You can just write it down in the comment section. Now let's move on. Next question we have is number 3. Introducing internal assessment as part of the evaluation process is good because it helps the teacher to what? Introducing internal assessment as part of the evaluation process is good because it helps the teachers to encourage the students to behave well in the class, give weightage to the behavior of students in the classroom, know the formative process of the students, D, improve the aggregate score of the students. What is the correct answer? So, correct answer of this question, it will be C. Introducing internal assessment as part of the evaluation process is good because it helps the teachers to know the formative process of the students. Okay, formative process of the students. This is the correct answer. Let's move on to next question. It says, so this question is related to research aptitude, if I'm not wrong. Number 4, it says, a deductive theory is one that allows theory to emerge out of the data, involves testing an explicitly defined hypothesis, allows for findings to feed back into the stock of knowledge, uses qualitative methods whenever possible. So these are the options. The correct option for this question will be a deductive theory is one that involves testing an explicitly defined hypothesis. What is hypothesis? You have to find out. It is an integral part of research. Do your own research for this topic. Next, it says, which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge, its structure, method, and validity? Which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge, its structure, method, and validity? Logic, aesthetics. Aesthetic is related to beauty of art. If I'm not wrong, I may be wrong. Please verify it. Then epistemology, then metaphysics. What is the correct answer? So, correct answer will be C. That means epistemology is the branch of philosophy that deals with knowledge, its structure, method, and validity. Epistemology. Okay. Next number. Now, number 6. It says we have direct options. Now, in number 1, it says the method is psychological and imparts knowledge in a natural manner without any assumption or presumption. Number 2, it is a scientific method which is based on visible elements or facts. 3, this is the best method as it teaches the student to think for himself. 4, as the result of acquiring knowledge through this method, the feeling of self-confidence and self-dependence is developed in the student. Now, the question is asking, all the above are related to which method of teaching learning? So this question is related to teaching aptitude. Number A, deductive method. Number B, inductive method. Number C, prescriptive method. Number D, mixed method. To answer this question, you have to first read the options very carefully. Then you have to also know the definition of various methods. Then only it will be easy for you. Okay, let me give you the correct answer. Correct answer will be B. These all are inductive method. Inductive method. Okay, the rest like deductive method, prescriptive method, mixed method. These all are also important. Please try to know it in detail. Number 7, it says a null hypothesis. Null means, you all know, null means empty. Okay, nil. A null hypothesis is a hypothesis of no difference. B, hypothesis that assigns value of 0 to the variable. Number C, hypothesis of 0 significance. D, hypothesis which can neither be proved nor disproved. Okay. Let me give you the correct answer. Number 7, the correct answer is A. A null hypothesis is a hypothesis of no difference. Okay, a hypothesis of no difference. This question is related to research aptitude. Number 8, it says the study of role of time in communication is known as what? The study of role of time in communication is known as what? Chronemics, semiotics, paralanguage, kinesics. 4 options. What will be the correct one? Correct option is chronemics. Chronemics is the study of role of time in communication. Okay, and the rest are, these are also important. Do your own research to know more about it, so that if any question comes in future, you will be able to answer it. Next, number 9, it says the term OPCIT. OPCIT or opposite stands for what? As cited above, as cited opposite, as cited in the appendix, as cited in the bibliography. This is also related to research. So correct answer will be A. The term opposite stands for as cited above. As cited above. Okay, the rest questions are related to mathematical questions. Here you can take the screenshot of this display, then you can solve this by yourself. Here I will just tell you the correct option only, that's all. I will not try to solve here the mathematical question. It's your task, do it. Here I will just read. Study the data given in the table and answer the questions from 10 to 13. 3 questions are asked. In first box we have state A, B, C, D, E, and in second box we have percentage of population below poverty line, 35, 25, 24, 19, 15, and then in third and fourth box we have one option. Above means at the initial box, that is proportion of males M and females F. Below poverty lines M proportion F. Above poverty time F, M proportion F. And 5 proportion 6, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, and 6, 7, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2. Now let's jump on to the number 10 question. It says, if the male population above poverty line for state is C, is 1.9 million, then the total population of state C is what? 4.55 million, 4.85 million, 5.35 million, 6.25 million. So correct answer will be 6.25 million. How? Solve it. Okay, then we have next question. Next question is saying, what will be the number of females above poverty line in the state D if it is known that the population of state D is 7 million, 3.50 million, 2.43 million, 3.35 million, 4.15 million? Correct will be number B, that is 2.43 million. Next question. What will be the male population above poverty line for the state A if the female population below poverty line for state A is 2.1 million? So while watching this video, please try to solve it. Then only it will be beneficial to you. Otherwise, it has no meaning. It will be insignificant. 2.2 million, 3.3 million, 3.5 million, 2.7 million. That is 3.3 million. It is the correct answer. Number 13, it says, if the population of males below poverty line for state B is 2.4 million and the same for state E is 6 million, then the total populations of states B and E are in the ratio of what? 1:3, 1:3.5, 1:2.5, 1:2. What is the correct answer? 13, correct is C, that is 1:2.5. 1:2.5, this is the correct answer. Another question, it is also related to mathematical sum. It says, directions, question number 14 to 16. In the following diagram, rectangle represents boys, triangle represents girls, circle represents athletics, and square represents disciplined. And the picture is like this: 10, 6, 7, 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, 1, 9. Now we have to find out which number indicates the boys who are athletic and disciplined. Which number indicates the boys who are athletic and disciplined? 1, 2, 10, 6. So the correct answer will be 14B, number 2. Number 2 is the correct answer. Similarly, now number 15, it says, which one of the following indicates athletic boys and girls? That is number C, that is 3. Number 16, it says, what is represented by number 1? Athletic boys, athletic disciplined boys, athletic disciplined boys and girls, disciplined boys. 16, correct answer is D, that is disciplined boys. This is represented by number 1. How? Solve it, do it. Then only you will be effortlessly able to do it and in the exam. Number 17, this question is related to environment and ecology. Which of the following is not a Millennium Development Goal, MDG? These questions are often repeated, therefore it is your task to go through it. Which of the following is not a Millennium Development Goal, MDG? Improvement in maternal health, achieve universal access to safe drinking water, sanitation and hygiene. Number C, ensure environmental sustainability. Number D, achieve universal primary education. So number 17, B, achieve universal access to safe drinking water, sanitation and hygiene is not a Millennium Development Goal. So while reading the question, please be careful because there will be a very small word like not. Okay, so this not can make you blind. Therefore, so you have to be very pragmatic and very attentive. Okay. Number B is the correct answer. Let me mark it correct. Okay. Number 18, it says, the Taj Mahal, you all know, the Taj Mahal is threatened due to the effect of hydrogen, chlorine, sulfur dioxide, oxygen. Correct answer will be sulfur dioxide. It is a very detrimental element, sulfur dioxide. For this element, the Taj Mahal, it has been threatened. Number 19, it says, which of the following is the basic unit of study of ecology? So from the question itself, we can make out this question is related to environment and ecology. Which of the following is the basic unit of study of ecology? Population, environment, biosphere, ecosystem. So correct answer will be ecosystem is the basic or the fundamental or intrinsic unit of study of ecology. Number 20, it says, which of the following is not part of geological disaster? Geological disaster, this is also related to environment and ecology. Let us solve it. Volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunami, sea surge. Which of the following is not part of geological disaster? So here, keep in mind, amidst the question, the word not is given. Not a part of geological disaster. Volcano is sure, it is a part of geological disaster. That is true. And then earthquake, it is also a part of geological disaster. Tsunami also same, but sea surge, SEA, sea surge, it is not a part of geological disaster. Number D. Then number 21, it says the popular operating system used in mobile smartphones. So this question is related to innovation and information and technology. The popular operating system used in mobile smartphones are what? Number 1, UNIX. Number B, LINUX, Linux. Unix, Linux, Windows, Android. Very fundamental question. You must have heard Android. According to me, Android is the correct answer. Let me find out from the official answer key. Yes, number D, Android is the correct answer. Okay, so Android is very popular among mobile operating system. There are many mobile phones, smartphones, which are also related to Windows, but those are not so popular. Number 22, it says the system widely used for data collection and acquisition is known as what? The system widely used for data collection and acquisition is known as what? Number A is saying scalable control and data acquisition. Number B, supervisory control and data acquisition. Number C, acquisition of data and analysis. Number D, adaptive data acquisition. So the correct option will be the system widely used for data collection and acquisition is known as supervisory control and data acquisition. This question is related to technology. Number 23, this question is related to mathematical sum or reasoning ability. It says team A and B play in a basketball tournament. A match can have 3 outcomes. Number A win. Number B win. B win. A win, B win, and number 3, tie. The team has to win 2 games to be declared as winner. The first team winning 2 games in a row is declared as a winner and tournament ends. In how many ways the tournament can proceed where one team can be declared as winner? 8, 9, 10, 11. Here, as usual, I will not try to show you how it can be solved. I will directly give you the correct answer. 23, correct answer will be C, that is number 10. So before moving on, you should pause it and then solve it. Number C. 23, number C. 24, it says the number of 8 bit strings that can be formed beginning with either 111 or 101 is what? 32, 64, 128, 256. Correct is 64. 64 is the correct answer of 24. Likewise, number 25, it says this question is related to internet, or you can say information technology. It says in an internet world, computers connected to internet are identified by what? Email address, MAC, MAC address, IP address, memory address. It's a pretty basic question. You will be able to answer it. The correct option is C, that is IP address. So with your IP address, one can track where is your home, where from which place you are using your mobile phone or internet. It's a very basic thing. Number 26, it says in IT Act, Information Technology Act 2000, which section deals with the punishment for cyber terrorism. Nowadays, cyber terrorism is growing, and due to the influence of internet, it will not going to end soon. It will grow. So the question is in IT Act 2000, which section deals with the punishment for cyber terrorism? 66A, 66B, 66F, 45F. So correct is number C, 66F. Remember it. It will be pretty helpful for you. Number 27, it says, which layer of the atmosphere is also called ozonosphere? Which layer of the atmosphere is also called ozonosphere? Troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, exosphere. This question, from the question itself, you can make out from ecology. 27, environment and ecology. So correct answer is from the layer of stratosphere, the atmosphere is called ozonosphere. Stratosphere. Now number C is the correct answer. Number 28, it says, which of the following is having the primary objective to disseminate countrywide higher educational programs through television, along with appropriate use of ICT? Okay. Which of the following is having the primary objective to disseminate countrywide higher educational programs through TV along with appropriate use of ICT? Okay, ICT means, if I'm not wrong, information and communication technology. So it can be used and it must be used in a classroom, like where when a teacher is using his laptop through ICT, or you can say through his through the use of projector. If a teacher is teaching, so that will be under ICT. Or if he is using audio or video mode, he or she, whatever. So options are InflipNet, CEC, Doordarshan, NAC you all know. 28, correct answer of this question will be CEC is having the primary objective to disseminate countrywide higher educational programs through TV along with appropriate use of ICT. CEC. So YouTube is also a part of information and communication technology, which can be used in a classroom along with Google Docs or Google Classroom, Google, many products that is related to Google, but they are also helpful in educational sector. So those can be called as ICT. CEC is the correct answer. I don't know the full form of this word. Please try to know it. Number 29, it says, assertion, that means A, the governor of a state exercises the power of issuing ordinance on the advice of the cabinet. Reason is saying R, that is the exercise of ordinance making power of governor is discretionary. Which of the following code is correct on the basis of A and R? Code are like this. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. So try to solve it. Correct answer will be number C, that is A is true, but R is false. So let me give you the explanation that is needed here. A is true, but R is false. That means the governor of a state exercises the power of issuing ordinance on the advice of the cabinet. This assertion is correct, but the reason here, the exercise of ordinance making power of governor is discretionary. It is not true. It is wrong. Number 30, it says, in the 6th century BCE, which of the following places flourished as a center of higher education? Many questions will be asked that is related to higher education in India, especially the history of higher education in India and how it has evolved into the today's position. Nalanda, Bikramshila, Takshila, Ujjaini. Number 30, correct answer will be in the 6th BCE, Takshila is the place which flourished as a center of higher education. Takshila. You must have heard about Takshila in your history book. Next question is saying, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution originally referred to the right to property as fundamental right? Right now, right to property is not a fundamental right. It has been abolished. Article 19, Article 20, Article 21, Article 22. Correct answer will be Article 19 of Indian Constitution. It was originally referred to the right to property as fundamental right, but it is now no longer a fundamental right. 32, it says, concerning the primary focus of the 5-year plans in India, which of the following is not correct? 5-year plan you must have heard. First FYP, development of primary sector. Second FYP, heavy industry. Third FYP, agriculture and agro-based industry. Fourth FYP, science and technology. Concerning the primary focus of the 5-year plans in India, which of the following is not correct? So here the question is not correct. Okay, we have to find out which is not correct. 32, correct answer will be D. Fourth FYP, science and technology. It is not correct, but the rest, like first FYP, second FYP, third FYP, and their motive, it is correct. Their primary focus. But nowadays FYP is no longer popular, but it was initiated by late first PM of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and then it was influenced by also Soviet Union, and it is also a part of socialism. Number 33, it says, which of the following is not a function of AICTE? Which of the following is not a function of the AICTE? If you don't know what is AICTE, you have to know, so go through it. Promotion of quality in technical education, focusing on non-formal education, emphasis on developing high-quality institutions and innovative research programs. Number D, allocation of grants for planned and coordinated development of technical education. Number 33. So the correct answer will be AICTE. It stands for so many things, but it does not stand for allocation of grants for planned and coordinated development of technical education. Okay, but it functions for promotion of quality in technical education, focusing on non-formal education, emphasis on developing high quality institutions and innovative research programs. That's all. Next question, it says, with which of the following government schemes are the phrases "Har Khet Ko Pani" and "Per Drop More Crop" associated? Per drop more crop. Let me reiterate the question. It says, with which of the following government schemes are the phrases called "Har Khet Ko Pani" and "Per Drop More Crop" associated? Options are Rain-Fed Area Development Program RADP, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture NMSA, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sichai Yojana PMKSY, and then Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana PKVY. We have to find out the correct answer. 34, correct answer will be C. That means Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sichai Yojana PMKSY. This is the full government schemes that are that has phrase called "Har Khet Ko Pani" and "Per Drop More Crop." Okay, number C, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sichai Yojana. Remember it. Next, number 35. Number 35, it says the Nobel Foundation. You must have heard, one who imparts Nobel Prize in various genre or in various fields. The Nobel Foundation has awarded 2 Nobel Prizes in literature this year for 2018 and 2019, as last year's prize was cancelled. Why was the Nobel Prize in literature cancelled in 2018? Now we have to find out the correct answer. Because of internal problems of the Swedish Academy. Number B, because no shortlisted author was found suitable, because there was a controversy over the award of the 2017 prize to Kazuo Ishiguro, and because the term of the expert committee had expired and the new committee had not been constituted. According to me, as far as I am informed and concerned, There were some internal problems of Swedish academy. They have some kind of sexual harassment issues for which they have stopped the announcement of Nobel Prizes. So let me give you the correct answer from the official answer key. 35 correct answer is A. Uh, because of internal problems of the Swedish Academy, which I have already told you. Okay, so you should not only know why or who was the winner. If the award has not been announced, then you should also know what was the reason behind it. So till here we will read, and in our upcoming class we will do more. That's all for today. Keep on doing, keep on practicing, then only it will be easy for you. Thank you so much.